Today we are going to learn how to sort materials into different groups based on the properties of the materials. Materials properties which are visible to our eyes, like how the properties are of the material, like the color, the texture, the transparency, the hardness, the softness, the flexibility. These are all the properties of the materials. Now, into how many types can you sort or divide the materials, which are visible to our eyes and which are most commonly used? Fabric, glass, metal, wood, and paper. These are the different types we can sort it into. These are the different types of materials which are visible to our eyes. We can find out that it is a fabric with our eyes or by touching it. Glass is also a material. Metal, wood, and paper are all materials, and we can divide these into different groups by looking at it. Now, look at the picture on page 58 of your book. How many different materials can you find? Over here, you can sort out the objects based on the different materials. Like previously, I have told you what are the materials which are made up of glass, the materials which are made up of wood, or the materials which are made up of plastic. You are supposed to divide them into different groups. Please do so and write it in your notebook or write it on the page 58 of your book. Now I am explaining you. Please listen to me very carefully. We can sort materials into more than one property. How more than one property? For example, paper. Paper is smooth and also absorbent. Absorbent means what? That it can take in water. So the materials may have more than one property. Not only paper, other materials also have different kinds of property. I will give you an example like the glass. It is also hard and see through. We can see through the glass. So I have given you an example of paper as well as glass. Now, on page 59 of your book, you have so many pictures. Now we have to sort them into different groups. Now I have sorted these pictures or the materials which are there on page 59 into two different groups. One which are soft and absorbent or smooth and absorbent. The other are hard and strong. Now, which is smooth and absorbent is the paper as well as the t-shirt, because t-shirt is also having the same property that they absorb water. Next is the glass bottle and the stone. Both have the same property, both are hard and both are strong as well. Now, we have learnt. What did we learn again? We have learned that material can be sorted in what? I am not going to answer the question. The question is there in my answer. You have to find it from my presentation. And different materials have different what? So all of you know these answers and write it. Thank you.